Kim Stevenson here at Lakes Region Community College. This is the 5th year we've been able to host the Young Women in Leadership Campers from Girls Inc.
Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome to Lakes Region Community College. We're so happy that you're here with us today.
We were able to run 6 different stations, and we did 2 different relay races, the seatbelt challenge for New Hampshire State Police, and then NHADA, our very own Craig, ran a spare tire challenge as well, so they were able to compete. Thought it was important that the girls learned how to do a wiring repair, and of course we had to turn it into something fun and exciting, so they made bracelets out of wires, so they learned how to cut wires, strip wires, use a butt connector, and heat shrink it, and they have cool bracelets to take home with them today.
Definitely a great time had by all today. A huge thank you to Irwin Automotive Group and McGovern Toyota of Portsmouth for making this day possible. This is the front of an actual motorcycle right here. Pretty cool, huh?
Yes.
Yeah, so that would be brake fluid in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
A great opportunity for
Rev on. Big truck.
It's great to have these girls here at the college to get exposed to opportunities for their future.